What's all this, you may ask? Well, obviously it's thread, but what could I have been making? Friendship bracelets. Now let's get all this out of the way. And on with the show and tell. This funky bad boy is my very first one. You see, I only thought I was going to be making one of these, so I used the majority of the beads that I had. This is my second one. I learned a little bit of technique in the knotting a bit. I got it a bit better. It's cutesy. It's more of a bubblegum pop kind of way rather than the pop punk aesthetic that this was sort of giving off. This one was probably the most frustrating one to make. I was running low on beads, so I only used the last 3 that I had. And it was hard to make a knot to go through the loop that would fit. Correction, this one was the hardest one to make because I screwed up and ended it a little too short, so it wouldn't go completely around my wrist. So I had to tie on an extra loop, and even when I did that, the knot is still a little finicky and a bit too small, but it works all right. This one is one of my much better ones. It's got a clear little button there because I ran out of beads. But my knotting technique has gotten a lot better. It looks a lot smoother. And this one is my newest one. All of them have been made within the past 24 hours. But this is my brand new one. Again, I have gotten better at knotting, and this knot goes into this loop, and it's big enough, and the loop doesn't make it fall out. Overall, this one's just very nice, and I really like it a lot. To be honest, I like them all because I made them, and I put a lot of effort into them. But if we're playing favorites, this one, my first one, is definitely my fave. And I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can put in some extra content in which it's just me making one of the bracelets. See ya. Bye.